So I just got the Galaxy Z Flip 4 in and I'm super excited to unbox it. Now the cool thing about the Z Flip series is that Samsung lets you choose two-tone color options if you'd like to do that, or you can just go with one straight color. This time around I decided to go with the graphite option, so we'll see how it looks. The first thing I gotta say though is the box design is a little different with the word flip on the outside, and I think it looks awesome. But let's get this thing open and take a peek. Okay, here it is, guys. All right, looks like we've got the user manual is stuck on the top of the box. I'm assuming a charging cable in here. Okay, something. I gotta say, man, I miss the days where they used to put the earbuds in the box, but I mean, those days are obviously long gone. They don't even put like an actual like adapter in there anymore. It's kind of frustrating. Anyways, with my complaints aside, let's take a look at the phone. All right, it's wrapped up pretty good. And it looks very similar, obviously, to last year's Z Flip 3. Not a whole lot is going to be different this time around. But there are a couple internal things different with this phone. But let's get the wrapping off of it. Yeah, this thing is wrapped up, man. Wow. Struggling here. All right, here it is. Okay, and I will say the graphite does look sleek. I like that a lot. Now, it is a little bit plain if you go with the graphite option. However, I don't regret it at all. All right, so let's fold this thing up. Now, the folding technology on this phone is going to be a little bit better than last year's Z Flip 3. Also, the battery life on this phone is improved. But yeah, man, looks really nice for sure. Next thing we got to do here is power this phone up. So just bear with me here. As far as the screen size, it is also 6.7 inches, which is the same as last year's. All right, there we go. We got it. Okay, and to save some time, I skipped through the startup screen, and one of the first things I like to do whenever I power up a new phone is check out some of the stock wallpapers, and let's see what we got in here. I gotta tell you what though, the Z Flip series has some really cool wallpapers. We'll switch it up kind of this more colorful option. And then I'm also gonna show you guys the cover display on this phone. So one of the reasons to get a Z Flip series phone is that it folds, obviously, but the cover display is one of the coolest things about it. Now, you can put lots of custom things on the cover display, but we're just going to go with some of the stock options here, and I'm just going to go with the animals so you guys can see what it looks like. And this is just going to show up on the outside of it, like where the clock is. So let's fold this thing up and take a quick look, and there we go, man. Got some animals on the cover display. Another benefit to using one of these phones is that when you fold them and carry it around, it takes up a lot less pocket space. That's always been one of the things I've loved about using this series, is that the phone is very easy to carry around. Okay, the next thing I wanted to do for you guys, was run some videos so you could hear the sound quality on it. We'll do a little gaming. Of course, if you want to check out the full detailed review we have on this phone, I will have a link in the description. Recommend you check that out. For now, let's see this phone in action.